Once student handout 6 is finished, you can move on to student handout 7, Confucianism and the Civil Service. So for this activity, you're going to read some writings by Confucius. So for example, this is one. The master said, the superior man is modest in his speech, but exceeds in his actions. So then after that, it gives you a little bit of information about what it means to us. So it's similar to the modern sayings, actions speak louder than words, and talk is cheap. The idea is that good people, the superior man, actually do good things. They don't just stand around talking about how great they are. So then what you'll do after that is you will go through and answer these questions for each of the excerpts. So why would this be an important quality for a civil servant to have? So why is it important for a civil servant to be modest in his speech, but he exceeds in his action? So once you have that one done, you're going to go down to this one here. And then finally, oh, so sorry. So you're going to just do that for these two. Once you get to this bottom part here, you're just going to pick one and not talk about it with a partner, but actually write down or type, what do you think it means? How do you think it connects to being a good civil servant? Once you have that finished, go ahead and save it, but do not turn it in.